Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss search engines. The internet provides access to a wealth of information on countless topics contributed by people throughout the world. The internet is not a library in which all its available items are identified and can be retrieved by a single catalog. In fact, no one knows how many individual files reside on the internet. Hence, to search on the internet, a special search tool known as search engines is used. Search engine searches a database of internet files collected by a computer program called a wanderer, crawler, or spider. It allows the user to enter keywords relating to particular topics and retrieve information about the internet sites containing those keywords. A search engine consists of 4 components. Spider, program that traverses the web from link to link, identifying and reading pages. Indexing software, program that analyzes web pages that are downloaded by spiders. Database, warehouse of the web pages downloaded and processed. Search engine mechanism, software that enables users to query the index and that usually returns results in term relevancy ranked order. A search engine does not search the web directly. To find information on the millions of web pages, a search engine employs a special software called spiders. After spiders find pages, they pass them on to another computer program for indexing. This program identifies the text, links, and other content in the page and stores it in the search engine databases files so that the database can be searched by keyword. Creating index and updating search database is a never-ending process because of the constantly changing nature of the web. As a result, the spiders are always crawling. When users search the web using a search engine, they are provided with the links of all the searched web pages. On clicking on the links provided in a search engine's search results, the current versions of the web pages are retrieved from the server. Searching the internet. Some of the well-known search engines are www.google.com, www.hotbot.com, www.lycos.com, and www.altavista.com. Let us assume that you want to search the web to get information regarding computer generations. To do this, first open the search engine's website such as www.google.com. Now, type your keywords in the search box and click the Google search button or press enter. The engine searches its index and generates a page with links to those resources containing some or all of the search terms. Clicking on any link opens a website or web page in which the searched keyword appears. Refining the search. The major search engines allow the user to choose whether to search for the exact typed phrase, all the words in the phrase, any of the words in a phrase, and so on. A few search engines do not provide such options. In this case, the user can refine the search by adding one or more words or symbols to the search topic. And it is used to search for 2 or more terms on the same page. Type the word "and" between the terms, for example, poverty and crime, or put a plus sign right before the second term. Example, poverty plus crime. Or It is used to search for either of two terms on the same page. Type the word or between the terms, for example, college or university. Not. It is used to search for pages that include the first term but not the second. Type the words not between the terms. For example, cats, not dogs. Or put a minus sign right before the second term. For example, cats minus dogs. Double quotes. Double quotes are used to search for an exact phrase. For example, desktop wallpapers within the double quotes. Parentheses. Parentheses are used to group parts of the search phrase. For example, type desktop and open bracket themes or wallpapers close bracket. This returns pages with the words desktop and themes or both the words themes and wallpapers. Asterisk. Asterisk is used to search for various forms of a word. For example, prior asterisk returns pages with the words prior, prioritize, priority, and so on.